Okay, let's take a look at problem 4, dividing radical expressions. Again, when we divide radical expressions, just like when we multiply them, the index has to be the same. And when we have the same index, we can put the radical over the entire thing. So here I have the square root of 18x to the 5th divided by the square root of 2x to the 3rd. So, as we stated above, we can just put the square root over the entire part and just divide now. So, 18 divided by 2 is 9. X squared minus x cubed is x to the 5th, minus x cubed is x squared. And I can take the square root of both of those. So the square root of 9 is 3, and the square root of x squared is x. Let's take a look at B. Again, they have the same index, so I have the cube root of 162, y to the 5th, divided by the cube root of 3y squared. And again, I can put it all under one radical and divide, and I get 54y to the 3rd. 54 breaks down to 27 times 2. And I know I can take the cube root of, so the cube root of 27 is 3, and the cube root of y to the 3rd is y. So I can pull out that 3y, and I'm left with the cube root of 2. So let's do it on our own now. We have the square root of 50x to the 6th divided by the square root of 2x to the 4th. So I'm going to make one big radical because they have the same index, and I have 50 x to the 6th divided by 2x to the 4th. And I can divide that, and I get 25x squared. Well, both of those numbers I can take the square root of. The square root of 25 is 5, and the square root of x squared is x. So that's my final answer. Alright, so then it says, can you simplify the expression in problem 4a by first simplifying? Of course we can. Let's see. Might take a few more steps. We can do it. So we have the square root of 18 x to the 5th divided by the square root of 2 x cubed. Okay, so if I break it down first, I have 2 times 9 times x squared times x, which gives me 5. 2 plus 2 plus 1. There's an invisible 1 here. And then I have the square root of 2 times x squared times 1, because there's an invisible 1 here. 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay? So I can take the square root of 9, the square root of x squared, the square root of x squared, and the square root of x squared. And I get 3x times x, and what's left is 2x divided by x, and what's left, 2x. So when I multiply that out, I get 3x squared, square root of 2x, over x times the square root of 2x. Well, my square root of 2x cancels out, and 3x squared divided by x is just 3x. Let's see, if is that the same answer we got the first time? It sure is, so you can do it both ways. It's totally up to you. This is just a little trick. Hope that this helps.